Hi friends, welcome to IT Port. In this session we are going to see about joins in SQL Server. In SQL Server, joins is used to fetch data from one or more tables to fetch data. The joins with the relationship between the two tables, so we can get relevant data with joins using joins. There is a 5 types of joins are available in a SQL Server. One is inner join. Second one is outer joins, that is left outer or right outer. Third one is full join. Fourth one is cross join. Fifth one is self join. Let us check with these joins. First one is inner join. Inner join is match rows between the two tables specified in the inner join statement based on one or more columns having matching data. Preferably the join is based on referential integrity, enforcing the relationship between the tables to ensure the data integrity. So it can check with the one or more columns with the matching data of the number of tables specified in the inner join. Let us check with a simple example. Here are the two tables. Check with one is employee, second one is employee target. So employee table contains employee ID, name and type. Then its employee's manager ID. So second one is that employee ID and his target. So first one is inner join is, so we fetch data like this: employee ID and employee name and employee target from employee target. So from employee inner join, here we use the inner join with the employee target on employee ID from employee and employee ID from employee target. So we fetching data, so it will return the data like this. So number of rows in employee table is 12. So now it's give the data only 9 because matching data between the two tables. So this is a method to apply inner join. So it will return the data with referential integrity. So next one is outer join. This is the one of the left outer join. Based on the two tables specified in the join class, all data is written from the left side table. On the right side table, the matching data is written in addition to null values where a record exists in the left table but not in the right table. So it will return the null values from the null values where a record exists in the left side table but not in the right side table. Here fetching the same data: employee ID from employee, employee name from employee, target from employee target. Here uses the left outer join with the employee ID from employee and employee ID from employee target. So it will give us return the available data from the right side table. If it's not available, it will return the null values. So it will return the full record sets from the left side table. The possibility based, it will return null or available data. This is a left outer join. Outer join is mostly focused for mismatched data. This is a left outer join. So it will return the full rows from the left side table. The third one is right join. It's relevant to left join. Based on the two tables specified in the join class, all data is written from the right side table. And the left table, the matching data is written in addition to null values, where a record exists in the right table but not in the left table. Relevant to the left join, it focused on the right side table as a primary and return the null values for left side table whether its data is available or not. See here, same data with the right outer join. It will return the right side target content is full set and the availability based null values return. Return the null values, the data matching purpose. So it return the full rows from right side table. So this is the right outer join. The fourth one is self join. Self join is a same table specified twice with two different aliases in order to match the data within the same table. See, in the employee table contains employee ID and manager ID. The manager ID is a data from its table with employee ID as employee ID with his name. So we want to take that employee ID, employee name and the manager name. See, we are fetching data with employee ID from employee, employee name from employee, and we marked as one alias for that employee as employee name. So from employee, here inner join used, that is for self join. So the right side of the table also as employee with the employee 1 alias and manager ID from employee and employee 1 or employee ID from employee 1. So it will return the employee name and manager. So this is a self join, same table referenced twice to fetch data. And the next one is cross join. Cross join based on the two tables specified in the join class. A Cartesian product is created if a where class does filter the rows. The size of the Cartesian product is based on the multiplying the number of rows from the left side table by the number of rows in the right side table. Check with it. Here we should not mention that relationship column. So some rest of the joins we must mention the relationship columns between the tables what are used in this join class. Here no need to mention that relationship column. So it will written as a Cartesian product from the RWA class, we can easily check. See, there is a 10 rows from right side table. So it multiply it each and every row. Each row so every row from left side table will multiply into the right side table. This is a cross join. And the last one is full join is based on the two tables specified in the join class. All data is written from both tables regardless of matching data. So full data will return the data with the actual data from two tables. It's relevant to left join, union, right join. So it will return the, if possibility mismatched data on the right side table, it will return the null column to the right side table fields. If mismatched with the left side, it will return the null values for the mismatched data from the left side table. So these are the joins in SQL Server. These joins is mostly used for the fetch data from the number of tables with the relationship columns. Hope this session will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.